Hey, so happy California days. I'm driving through some pretty remote areas of California, just taking the number one down the California coast. Lots of massive cliffs and big pastures and huge mountains that are all sliding down to the great big blue jewel of the Pacific Ocean, which is shining under the sun today. We have a nice sunny day, and it is much warmer here. There's lots of flowers blooming, beautiful calla lilies, which are these potted plants in Canada. They're just like growing on this side of the road, and pampas grass too, which we plant as an ornamental in Victorian yards. It's growing like a weed on all the hillsides here. Nice and warm. I'm going on a scenic vista hike, so I'm going to share some of the crazy ass views that I am privy to seeing today, and just like driving along these narrow roads beside the ocean, basically faced with my mortality at every turn. It's very exciting, let's just say that. Very exciting.